Hey everyone, so I'm going to be showing you the Dr. Brown's formula mixing picture. This is an awesome product and I'll tell you why. As you can see here, sorry I just cleaned it so there's like steam, steam spots in it. Anyways, if you use an odd amount of formula and the directions on your can just have for even amounts, you're not supposed to use half a scoop. So I hate wasting formula. It's a crime. It's literally a crime. So anyways, this picture is really good. This is what it looks like. Here's the handle. The handle's movable, you can see, like this. So here's the handle that you mix it. Here's the lid. Nice little handle. And then it has markings on the side. Let me show you. You can see right there it says Dr. Brown's. And then on this side, sorry if it's a little hard to see because I just washed it. But on the left side, it goes from 2 ounces. You can see, well, you probably can't see, but right here is the 2 ounce mark, and it goes all the way up to 40 ounces. And then on the right side, it has ml. And then right here, it says 100 ounce or 100 ml, and it goes up to 1200 ml. So there are markings on the side here. So I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, so as you can see on this formula can, not all are the same. This happens to be expensive Similac Alimentum. But as you can see the directions right here, 2 ounces of water for 1 scoop, 4 ounces, 2 scoops, and so on. So I am going to make 8 ounces in this. So I'm going to use 8 ounces of water. Okay, I'm just going to pour it in. Some people use bottled water. Some people use tap water. So whatever your preference is. Okay, so there's 8 ounces in there. I'm going to put 4 ounces, or 4 scoops. Sorry it's late and my baby's sleeping so I can actually do this video. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and I know if your baby, I'll tell you, this is an awesome product if your baby drinks an odd amount of formula. Like mine, 3 ounces, 5 ounces, you would think, oh, we'll just use a half a scoop. You're not supposed to use a half a scoop because then it throws everything off, and there's no marking on this for a half a scoop. There should be. All formula, my opinion, should go in 1 ounce increments, like for the mixing instructions. But as you can see, this is 2 ounces of water for every 1 scoop. So if your baby drinks 3 ounces or 5 ounces, like you don't want to waste it, and a lot of people just make the bottle fresh. So this is why this is good. You have to put this in the refrigerator and use it within a certain amount of time per the formula instructions. And then obviously you're going to have to heat it up if your baby likes warm formula or even room temperature formula. So I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, you can see right here, see on the lip of the container, right here, there's a little notch out, and you can see right here. So you have to do that. Put that on there. You hear it snapped on, and then you push it over. You do not want to waste an ounce of formula. And then basically, you can see how it mixes it. You see how there's all that powdered chunk? The powder chunk. So this just mixes it really good. It's like doing a little dance there. You can hold it with one hand, obviously, so it doesn't spin like that. But I'm holding the camera, so I can't do that. Do, 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 do. Yeah, it just literally drives me crazy sometimes when formula... I mean, babies aren't always going to drink even amounts of formula, right? So there we go. Because when I first seen this, I'm like, why would somebody just need that for a mixing picture? I'm like, oh, I get it now. I get it now. Please share this so other moms know. My first, I had no idea. And as you can see, no clumps. Completely mixed. See that? So please like and share this video, and I hope it helped somebody. And again, that is the Dr. Brown's formula mixing picture. Thanks for watching, everyone.